What is up, YouTube? Period. I'm back with another video, gang. And if you're not with the gang, what are you doing, sis? What are you doing, bro? Subscribe down below. Hit that post notification bell to get notified when I post videos on my channel. You like my shoes? Thank you, baby. So, as you guys see by the title for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me. Period. We finna be a baddie. But yeah, so I currently just got off work, as y'all can see. And it is night. But you know, nighttime is when we pop out. I'm finna go on a date. Finna be with my boo, my babe. Period. Finna look cute for Valentine's Day. I'm lying, y'all. I don't have no bae, no boo, or nothing. It is Valentine's Day.
Shut up.
And I don't have a date. Or a Valentine. Sadly. But I'm still gonna get cute. For who? You. You. Show the ones that do have a date how to do it. Maybe next year I'll have one. I don't know. But let's just get into this video. We're gonna start the video off in my closet, because what do we have to do first? Find something to wear. Hopefully by the time now you have already brushed your teeth, washed your face, got in the shower, lotion your body up, got yourself right, because now we're starting off with, oh, I'm about to fall in my closet. Starting off with finding something to wear. Okay, so we want to pick out something glamorous, cute, popping, period. Like, look at me, babe. Something like that. So I got this, like, what do you call this? Burberry look-alike outfit, two-piece. It's like some leggings. Or like this little bralette thing. Maybe. We could pop out with that. Or something else. Is y'all digging my hair, though? Like, I'm digging it. Okay. So yeah, we can pop up with this girl, yes. Well, this is one of the options. Another option can be this little, it's like, I don't know, should I make this an option? It's like this feeling jogging suit. This could be an option with some heels. But I would want to wear some popping red heels. That's what I got to remember to buy me. Like, when I be out here just shopping online for stuff that I don't need, I need to remember that I need some popping red heels. For real. For real. So, let me see what I could do with this. I don't want to wear this, though. I want to look fine. And I would wear this, like, dress thing, but me and my friends supposed to dress up. So, I'm going to save that for the day me and my friends go out. But, yeah. So, we're going to save that. But another option can be, where's my Gucci shirt? Another option can be something with the Gucci shirt. Like, I could wear, I don't know. What could I wear with the Gucci shirt? It's a daddy long legs up in my freaking closet, and I can't reach it because it's so tall. All the way up there. But I need to kill it before I get in my clothes. Like, ew. But I can't reach it. This lighting is horrible. I know. But, we can do something with the Gucci shirt. Like, what could we do with the Gucci shirt? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I used to love these off-the-shoulder shirts. So I have a lot of these, but like, these are so ugly now that I think about it. Ew. I could wear a skirt, this sparkly shirt, and these heels. But I don't feel like it. Ooh, this can be another option. And yes, I will model the options for you, you know. Ah! So this is another option. This t-shirt dress. Look at it. Cute.
Ah.
Or I don't like this color though, but I could snap with this. I think I only wore this like once a long time ago. But no, this not gonna look cute, I feel like. This is cute. But this is like Hot Mama. This is cute too. I could put this on for the one time again. Only time I wore this was like for my birthday thing. Like, bae, look at me sparkling. Bae. Okay. That's about it. So we have 3 options so far. Dun, dun, dun. Let me show y'all these options. So, outfit 1. Sparkly, catch my attention, bae is what we're gonna call it. Sparkly one piece, paired with heels. What do you think? Paired with heels and leather jacket. What do you think? 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, 1 out of 10. 5 going once, 10 going twice, 10 going 2 times, 10 is.
But we're gonna try it on 2, so don't forget. Last one. Outfit 2. T-shirt dress. Just going on a classic date with bae is what we're gonna call it. Classic dates with bae. T-shirt dress paired with heels. Jacket, no. Outfit 2. Outfit 3. Burberry look-alike. Snap for bae is what we're gonna call it. Snap for bae is what we're gonna call it. Y'all can start voting in the comments by now. Snap for bae, classic date with bae, or look at me bae. Which one? Which one do you like?
5 going once, 3 going twice, 10 going 5 times.
What I'm talking about. But that's number 3. Vote in the comments. I'm gonna give y'all time. So this is outfit 1. I like it. It's really, really cute, to be honest. And this is like date night appropriate, you know? With a jacket or something. This is really cute. I like it. Outfit 2. Also really, really cute. But I don't think this is Valentine's Day appropriate. But it's cute. I mean, it's cute. But it's not Valentine's Day date appropriate. I don't think so. I think this is just a summer fit. Not really Valentine's Day. So on to the next. This one is out the picture. Sorry if you voted for this one. It's the last outfit. And I feel like this is more party. I'm going on a party. I'm going to a party fit. This is what I wore for my birthday. So like that was like party fit, you know, turn up. This is not really like date fit. So this is out the picture too. So that means we're going with number 1. Woo. Let's put that on. These are the shoes we're going with. Classy and cute. And this is the outfit. Really, really cute. Like, I feel like this is Take Me on a Date appropriate. What do y'all think? Here's the back. This is the front. I love it. Absolutely love it. Period. Now that we're dressed, We're gonna put on some jewelry. Back in the closet. We also do need to accessorize. I mean, we don't really need to because the outfit itself is busting. But I already got a necklace on. But we can add the MK watch. Like, what up? We can add the MK watch. Some earrings. My hair is already done. I'm not doing no makeup because I don't do that. But my lashes is on, so that's good. My watch came on pretty fast. Period. Now let's see what earrings we could do. I know I want to go for some gold earrings. Some little ones. Not no big hoops either. These are cute. Cute little hoops. If I can get them on with these long nails. If I can get it on. Yeah, I don't think these gonna work. Bro, we're just gonna have to not wear no earrings because we ain't gonna see them anyway. Let's go to the vanity area now. I'm so tall. Like, whoa. But yeah. So, we're all dressed and ready to go on our date. I mean, I see out. And we can bring the big mama bag with us. Like, boom! Period. So that's pretty much all that we need. And we good. Now take me on a date. Take me on a date. This is fame, not clout. I don't even know it. So cute, so cute, so cute. Ah! Period. Yeah. I feel like I look cute. Let me put some lip gloss on. Because we can't be on our date with no crusty lips. Boom. We can't. Yeah. We can't. But that's all for today's video. Honey, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you definitely go follow me on Instagram at Clea and Marie. And yeah, follow me on everything. Everything is mostly Clea and Marie. Besides Snapchat, it's K.Glow Girl. But yeah, make sure y'all definitely go check me out. That's all for today's video though. Bye, Alea. Peace. Hey, babe. Valentine's Day. Thank you. You got me flowers. You got me a bear. You got me Victoria's Secret. Oh, thank you. I really don't deserve this, but thank you. So, what are our plans after? Oh, you can start me off with a water with lemon, please. And yeah, we're ready to order. Babe, you can order my meal because you know exactly what I want. So funny. Oh, I look nice, babe. Thank you. Thanks, babe.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused.